Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. I just want to take a look here at the shorter time frame at the moment. A larger time frame chart has of course not changed. XRP has really only moved sideways over the last few days, so the situation hasn't changed at all. The parameters remain pretty much unchanged. We have the red line here, which I class as a very, very important key level that keeps the local uptrend intact. So as long as we are holding above that 265 level, I would overall still focus potentially on higher prices. That's very important. The 265 level is where that red line is located, and that's a previous breakout point. To zoom out a little, or if I zoom out a little, you see that that's here the May swing high, and it is the level that really needs to hold to keep the uptrend intact. Yeah, any break below will increase probabilities that the wave 4 that potentially bottomed, presumably bottomed in April, is actually still unfolding. So from that point of view, I am tracking here an overall larger correction in an internal wave 4, yeah, but that is only a correction that is part of an uptrend already. So we're looking for higher prices overall as long as we're holding above $2.65. Now, however, we also have additional Fibonacci support levels. It doesn't mean we have to test the 265 level. I would actually even prefer that we don't test 265, but that the price even holds above these previous or these Fibonacci levels that we have here on the chart. 268 is an important level, but 275 as well, 281, 290, 295. So these are all levels to watch. I mean, if the microstructure is really playing out here at the moment, like the orange scenario suggests, we might come close to 268 or 275, because then we have an A wave down and a B wave up, and this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, I can see that this C wave might become short because of the overall context, okay? Because normally in a wave 4 pullback, which might still be unfolding, the $2.75 level shouldn't be broken, like the 50% retracement, that is. In this case, it's the 275 level. So, but then again, we also often see a C wave get to the 100% extension. So it's this area down here that seems to be very relevant. Also, if we assume that maybe the C wave has finished a wave 1 and maybe the wave 2, and we're now coming down like that, it kind of should send us down into that blue zone. But then again, based on the context, which already allows for a completed correction here, to be into, it's a 3-wave move down into support, you know. We've already come down to the 38.2 retracement, which is normally an ideal target for a 4th wave. And then again, even if we get another low, you know, as I said, the 50% retracement is normally the theoretical maximum for a wave 4. So I consider that the C wave, if we get another low, which isn't even guaranteed, yeah, we might only see a very, very weak C wave. So just something to be prepared for. That's why the blue Fibonacci target zone is located here at the 61.8 extension, 78.6 extension as well. Now, what do I need to see for a first indication that a low is already in? As I always say, the microstructures in these corrections are not so relevant. They are not predictive. They are more like for educational purposes and so that we know what the relevant resistance levels are. Now, what this tells us is if we get another leg down, then we need to stay below the swing high from Monday. So the 333 level, really. Yeah, this is the invalidation point. So any break above that would be a first indication that a low has already been established. Not a full confirmation, but a first indication. So that's clearly naturally a level to watch at around 332. And then ideally we should get back above 340 as well, which is the solid green line, which was a breakout point, was retested, but the retest failed when the second retest was done. So this we need to get above 333 and then 340. Yeah, that's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you are interested in our membership, check out the channel page. There is a video that explains the benefits. You get access to our member videos, including Ondo, Kronos, Pepe, and so on. You get access to member-only live streams every Sunday. As a Discord member, as a gold member, you get access to Discord, and you can access our TradingView live charts, an Elliott wave course. People ask me for that. That's included in the gold membership. So there's a lot of educational material, but also the chat rooms and our short-term intraday signals. So check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.